What's up everybody, this is Carmisi back with another video. So this is going to be another video on the Errant backpack. So on my last video, somebody actually commented and asked if I could do what a 3-day trip might look like with my backpack. So I went ahead and did that. This is what this is going to be. So shout out to Fernando Lagos for providing that idea. Thanks. So yeah, we'll get into it. Alright guys, so I wanted to set up a scenario where maybe I was taking like a weekend trip with some friends to San Diego or something like that. I don't really take trips very often, so this is just what I would bring with me. What you would bring would probably be a lot different, but the main purpose of this video is to show you some of the capacity, which I'm pretty happy about because I have this thing pretty packed, but I feel like I was able to fit a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, and it's not exactly bursting at the seams either, so it's great. So right off the bat, I'm pretty happy that I was able to fit my big water bottle because it still has some room too, but I didn't think I was going to be able to fit it. And this is my Takaya, I don't know how to say it, but my 32-ounce water bottle. I think I got this at Target. This thing's great too because I can throw ice in here in the morning and be using it for water all day, and I'll still have ice at night. So, I mean, it stays cold for a really long time. But yeah, I was able to fit that. That was great. Good start. So we'll go through some of the other smaller compartments and then we'll get into the main one. So we'll go with the bottom one first. So on my bottom one, all I have is some wet ones, some hand wipes, and then I also have a little toiletry kit right here, you know, toothpaste, all that stuff. And then side compartment, I got a power bank. This is a 20,000 milliamp power bank. And then I have some Bluetooth headphones. I got a power brick so I could charge up all my stuff. And then I have a charging cable. And this charging cable is great because it actually has a Lightning, a micro SD, and a Type C. And you'll see why all those things are important in a second. But yeah, that's all I got in that one. I don't have anything in the little passport compartment, but I do have this little container right here. It's just a little key thingy, and I like to put aspirin in there. So that way I always have aspirin at the ready if I got a headache or something like that. But yep. And then I don't have anything in the little small compartment, so we'll just open up the back and get to some of the good stuff. So we'll open up this thing clamshell. And we'll go with this side first. So I don't have a laptop in here, but I do have my 12.9 iPad Pro Apple Pencil. So that way, like, if I wanted to make any kind of video while I'm out there doing whatever, I can edit and post it, you know, or maybe even just watch YouTube in it. But yeah, got my iPad. And then, of course, with the recording, go hand in hand with that, I got my tripod. Got my tripod, the little Manfrotto Mini. This thing's great, one of my favorites. And then I got the little mount for my phone because I use the S9 to film pretty much everything. So I have my S9 Plus and I mount that right there. Take all my videos. So we got that. Then we got some Ray-Bans. Keep the sun out of your eyes. And I think that's it right there. So on this little compartment over here, I actually brought my Switch. So that way I don't get bored, play some games with my friends, you know, all that good stuff. But I actually threw it in there and I took the Joy-Cons off because it wouldn't fit with them on, but it fits pretty good with them off. I mean, I don't feel like it would get damaged or anything like that. So yeah, got my Nintendo Switch. And then we'll get into the clothes. So I brought a jacket with me. It's kind of a thinner jacket, but it's a thermal jacket, so it'll keep me plenty warm. So I got a jacket, 2 shirts. You know, I only need like 2 pairs of clothes because I don't think the first day really counts. Got 2 pairs of socks, some undies, and some shorts, and a pair of pants. So I got my charging cable. That's for my S9, my power bank, my Switch, and my iPad. So yeah, this thing comes really in handy. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Got 2 full outfits, a jacket, my iPad, a Nintendo Switch. I got a toiletry kit. I got my mini tripod. Got some headphones, a power bank, my water bottle, some Ray-Bans. So I mean, everything that I feel like I would need. So yeah, pretty good. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it gave you a better idea of the capacity for the Errant. No fishing poles or guitars this time, just actual stuff. So hopefully you liked it, and yeah, please like and subscribe.